These niggas ain't thuggin' for real. Fuck it, I'm up in the kill. I'ma up in public. Ain't gotta pop no up or the steel. We pray to the devil, that's how I feel. Come on, look how we live. Nigga, this that soldier like.
We're out here. About to put my wheel lights on. You know, I got the finest mechanic in all of town.
I don't know about that.
Yep, it's gonna be fun.
It's transmission fluid, to be honest.
No! We're back after a parts house run. We got what we need. We needed some bolts. That's when we're about to start drilling, as y'all see. My buddy came through. I got me another whip, as y'all see. Y'all let me know if y'all like the tucked into the bed and then two, because I kind of fuck with it. But yep, I'll let y'all know how it goes. There we go. Getting holes drilled. Here we go. Got this side done. Looks quite nice. Hell yeah. It's actually pretty bright.
All up in my head, now she in my bed. Me and little shawty in the back, talking about this, talking about that. Got her on the trunk, she acting all bad. Girl chose me, don't be.
I'm gonna get up and do it eventually, but I gotta make new decals. Yep, we're waiting for Christian to slow out. Got a new transmission in his truck. He's so slow. There we go. We got the decals on, as y'all see. I gotta make the YouTube text a little bit bigger, and there we go. Don't look too bad. Basically, we just stopped at Buc-ee's, and then we're about to head to a movie. So y'all stay tuned. We're at the movie theater. Nobody here. Nobody here yet. So.
We rented it out.
Oh yeah, big money. Got hella people. Yeah. We gotta go get some cash money so we can get in. We're ready. About to head to the show. So yep, let's get it. Right here, still posting up in the parking lot.
We got everybody out here today. Where we at? We're in Rockingham, North Carolina. We're out here with the platinum blondes, the sun brunettes. We're out here with this motherfucker always. Oh, yeah? He always got pop out for some reason. I tried to tell him to go home, he wouldn't though. Yes, sir.
Boys truck out here. Looking nice. About to go look at these wheels that I cannot afford.
Chase me. I work too hard, can you fucking pay me? I did so much, you did it with me, and I'm not alone.
That shit is crazy.
Since 2019, was doing this with me, I'ma set it in stone. You come from a sunken place again. You know the struggle, baby, can we be friends? From the bottom to the top again. We go on again, on again. But you got no confidence lately. Really wanna run around and chase me. I'm not no Travis, baby, no, don't chase me. I work too hard, can you fucking pay me? But you got no confidence lately. Really wanna run around and chase me. I'm not no Travis, baby, no.
This thing's clean. There's my boy Elliot. Yeah. This is it right here. This thing is clean as hell.
You got no confidence lately. Really wanna run around.
Yeah.
Say I'm ungrateful cause I made her take out a blueberry bag. Sipping on drink, I'm getting ready to be back.
Yes, sir. Got everybody out here. Sir.
That man OBS Carson out here. That shit is clean as hell. Got a bunch of trucks. Yep. What does that say? Best tour, brother. Boy came out with a
Best powder and best
line up out here in the visitor parking, I guess you could say. Yeah.
Two-door coupe, GTA, I got shooters, turtle shell top, bulletproof. Whatever I'm with, my bitch with it too. Balenciaga, and them sticks included. Crash out, crash out, crash, crash out, crash out, crash. Send niggas straight out of God, hold it 2 hands to the carver. Either you trapping or robbing. Why waste the time if you flaws? Stacking it, wrecking it, all the way up to Jupiter. Flip it, flip it, flip it, cool, serving, junket. I was still in school. Zone 3, zone 6 niggas don't play fair. They gon' slime you.
We still posted up. That boy shoe guy getting loaded up. All these boys leaning. Yes, sir. Damn. That's what you call tucking right there. That's wild. Gonna get us a quick flick. These will be posted on Instagram. Stay tuned. Y'all see we posted up at the gas station. About to get us some TikTok clips. My boy Dylan posted up. I think the cops are gonna try to fuck with us. So we're just gonna go ahead and skedaddle out of here, Mr. Sheriff. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, it's the end of the video. Once again, I know I have a little bit of segments in every video. We got a Lindsey Tire shirt, traded like 2 Scar 8s for it. And we got top 75.
Yes, sir.
But it's always great seeing everybody for the YouTube. Appreciate y'all. Somebody come buy this man's rig, 20K.
This thing is super clean. Hell yeah. Hope y'all boys enjoyed the video. Y'all see we posted up. Yeah. Y'all make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It's Beam with Frosty.
Reminiscing about my dog, I need a pill or something. When I get in my feelings, I be trying to kill some. I'm trying to murder a nigga. Through that rock and hit they end, I will all my seat.